What's this?
Apple.
This?
Apple.
This?
Grape.
This?
Banana.
This?
Lemon.
Lemon. Bravo! Clap your hands. Milad. Good morning, Milad.
You want to eat, Milad?
Good morning.
Stop going in the corner, Milad.
So you saw what we did with our bed? It's with foam.
Milad.
Milad, good morning. Come. You eat?
Let's go. Do you want egg?
Egg in the barn.
Do you want yogurt?
He want rice.
Good morning,
He's
Milad.
laughing, I think.
Good morning, Milad.
He's working. Whoa.
I will change your diaper, Milad. Change diaper?
He's such a tall boy.
Yeah.
He's only gonna
Count
turn 2
to
years
10.
old. Good morning. Wow. Wow. Stretch your arms. Oh, stretching.
1, 2, 3.
Stretching. Good morning, Milana. Oh, stretching. Whoa. Oh. Are you pretty, Milana? Wow. Woke up like this. Oh. Good morning. Good morning. Tang-aw. Good morning, Milana. Grr. Milana. Ah. Grr.
Change diaper, Milad.
Oh.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Okay. Say hi, guys.
Flying kiss right away.
Say good morning.
No.
No. Say good morning, mga tao.
No.
No?
He
Say
said
it.
no because mga tao is for Baba.
Boy. Boy.
Boy.
Baba.
Eh.
Mama.
Mm. Milad, how old are you?
Wow.
No, you're gonna be 2 next month. You are 2. Who's that? Who's that, Milad? Where's the clothes of Milana?
Oh, he
Oh,
knows.
this is for Milana. Wow.
What's that?
You always wear this one, Milad.
Ow.
This is your favorite? What about this one? Wow, it's black. Look. You want this?
Wow.
Look.
That's what.
You want to wear this? Black? This? Okay, wear this.
Wow.
Bye, guys.
Mother.
This one who?
Baby.
And this?
Mama.
Mama. And this?
Baba.
Baba. And this?
Tete.
Teti, grandma. And this?
Tito.
Jiddo, grandpa. Bravo. Ulbay.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
There's some Tusne. Why are you kissing me?
Ah.
Okay. Bravo.
Wow. What's for your lunch, Milad?
What do you want to eat?
Milad?
Tabat?
What do you want? Bread or
Apple.
rice?
Alcohol.
Alcohol? Oh, alcohol first, he said. Wow, what's the ulam of Milad? This This ginataang papaya. You know what's this, babe? It's papaya.
Papaya?
Yeah. Can you say papaya?
Bye-bye.
Papaya.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Apple.
Alcohol?
Bravo.
Milad, what are you doing?
Car.
Cars? What's this, Milad?
Car.
What's the color?
Apple.
Huh? Asfar yellow. This one, Milad, what's this?
Bus.
Bas, what's the color?
Mama.
Ahmar, red. In English, what's the color? Huh? Red. Good boy. Nana. What's that, Milad?
Pineapple.
What?
Pineapple.
Pineapple?
Apple.
This is apple. And the other one?
Why?
Fly? There's fly now. There's fly. What's this?
Pineapple.
This?
Apple.
This?
Grape.
This?
Banana.
This?
More.
Lemon. Bravo! More? Clap your hands. Bravo. He's so smart.
Cup.
What?
A cup.
Next month, he's gonna be 2 years old, Milad. Okay, what else? Can you show me more? What's that, ate? That, the animals. What's this, Milad? What's that?
Grape.
Ship? What's that?
Elephant.
Airplane.
Wheel.
Oh, we airplane. What's this?
Dog.
Duck. Oh, what's this?
Cat.
Cat. This one? What? Huh?
This is.
Cherry.